Are you a beginner in woodworking? If so, you're not alone. Many newcomers to the craft often find themselves struggling with wood finishing, encountering challenges they didn't anticipate. But fear not. In this video, we'll unveil 5 wood finishing secrets that 99% of beginners don't know. By implementing these tips, you'll instantly elevate the quality of your projects and achieve that flawless finish you've been aiming for. And number 1, properly clean up wood glue. During the assembly process, wood glue squeeze-out is a common occurrence. However, its impact on your final finish is often underestimated. Failing to clean up excess glue before it dries can lead to unsightly blemishes. Take the time to meticulously wipe away any squeeze-out with a damp cloth. Even small, unnoticed spots can mar the finish later on. So thorough cleanup is essential for achieving a flawless result that showcases your woodworking skills. At number 2, fill knot holes and voids. Before moving on to the sanding stage of your project, addressing any knot holes or voids in the wood surface is crucial. These imperfections not only detract from the overall appearance, but can also compromise the structural integrity of your piece over time. Opt for colored CA glue that closely matches your chosen stain to fill these gaps seamlessly. Not only does this enhance the aesthetics, but it also reinforces the wood, preventing knots from loosening and causing issues down the line. At number 3,
Sanding technique.
Sanding is a fundamental step in achieving a flawless finish, but it requires a delicate touch. Applying too much pressure can result in unsightly swirl marks that detract from the final appearance. Pay close attention to details such as clamping marks and saw marks, ensuring they're smoothed out completely before proceeding. By mastering the art of sanding and employing proper techniques, you'll create a smooth and uniform surface ready for staining or sealing, elevating the overall quality of your woodworking project. At number 4, Prestain Conditioning. Before applying stain to your woodworking project, proper preparation of the wood surface is essential for optimal results. Using mineral spirits as a pre-stain conditioner helps to remove any lingering dust or debris while revealing imperfections like blotchiness or uneven coloration. This preparatory step ensures that the stain applies evenly, resulting in a professional-looking finish. Whether you're working with softwoods like pine or hardwoods like oak, pre-stain conditioning can make a significant difference in the final appearance of your project, enhancing its overall quality and visual appeal. At number 5, choosing the right finish. When it comes to finishes, lacquer reigns supreme for its durability and ease of application. Unlike polyurethane, which can be tricky for beginners, lacquer bonds seamlessly and dries quickly. Apply multiple coats for added protection and a stunning final look. Now armed with these wood finishing secrets, you're ready to tackle your next project with confidence. Remember, attention to detail is key, and each step plays a crucial role in achieving that flawless finish. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and let your woodworking skills shine.